Hi, I'm Luis Barbosa, Solution Architect Manager for Blue Orange Digital. And here we're going to see today how to integrate Snowflake to LLM, choose ChatGPT in our case, in order to have the ability to answer business questions based on structured data that's available on the company. As you're probably aware, ChatGPT and other LLMs, they already are trained on generate standard SQL queries. The secret here, or the main point here, is to contextualize the LLM with a little prompt engineering about the data structure that you have available in the company. And once you have that, ChatGPT will be able to generate specific queries for data and answer the business question or the business questions that you have. Here, an example of our solution. It's a quite simple one. As I said, we have Snowflake as a central piece of it, as a data warehouse. We're going to integrate with data available on their marketplace from one of their partners, provide to the user a simple user interface using Streamlit, and the whole process is based on Python language, using what your preferred environment. You chose Conda for simplicity. That's doing this integration between our ChatGPT and our data backend. So let's go to Snowflake, to their marketplace. Let's look for financial and economic data. There are different ones. Let's choose this free one, CyberSync Financial Economic Essentials. Let me open it. I'm going to show some sample queries that I can run on the data. There are several. It provides several tables, several views, like labor employment statistics. I can see employment growth from different regions by different dates, several information. We're not going to use all of that. We're going to use a subset of it. So things like these data points here. So bank information, how many branches were open, assets, percentage of asset cover on by branch, by specific regions, real estate loans, and so on. There are several information, but different regions, but different aspects. And the secret here, as I said, is to do a little prompt engineering. So again, ChatGPT is already aware how to create some standard SQL queries. The point here is to contextualize with what are the tables that are working, what are the columns that are working, some business concepts that it should be aware of in order to generate the queries, a little bit of more specific query instructions. So things like don't generate multiple queries, try to limit yourself to single statements, and for each query that you use, please generate also a short instruction or short explanation of it, right? So let's give it a try. Let's run the solution here. It's again very simple. It's already being contextualized in the prompt. The last instruction of the prompt are based on this whole context. Please show up some examples of questions that can answer. It throw here a few examples. Let's give a trial one of our own. I'm interested in insuring some of my assets, so I'm looking for a specific bank. So I could ask, for instance, which bank has the highest percentage of insured assets. So it's generated the query here. It's also explaining a little bit about the query. It's simple enough. It's a simple select on the main table, looking for the variable that's something like insured. Going to order it by descending from the highest to the lowest, and we're gonna want to get the top one, the single top one, and you can find out the best bank here is Midwest Bank, or most insured bank here is Midwest Bank. So that's our answer for our original business questions. So if you want to see more details on the solution here, the whole technical implementation, we have a full video available on our YouTube channel. Feel free to watch that. Feel free to reach us. Thank you very much. That's pretty much it. See you soon.